A robot just cracked eggs, solved a Rubik's Cube, and played the piano. And that's only the beginning of today's robotics news.
Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald.
This is Friday, May 15th, 2026. Genesis AI dropped Gene-20-6.5, an AI model that can pilot robots from multiple manufacturers. Their new human-like robotic hand blows past the standard two-finger gripper, and a viral demo video showing it crack eggs, solve a Rubik's Cube, and play piano is breaking the internet. Uber killed its own self-driving project. Now it wants to be the data backbone for everyone else's. The plan? Equip millions of driver cars with sensors, building a real-world training dataset. AV partners can already run models in shadow mode against live Uber trips. China already dominates EVs. Now it's running the same playbook on humanoid robots. Chinese manufacturers control roughly 90% of global humanoid shipments at cost 20% below foreign rivals. Morgan Stanley says their global export share will keep climbing through 2030. The co-founder of iRobot is back. Colin Angle's new company, Familiar Machines and Magic, is building an AI-powered furry robot pet designed for genuine emotional connection. It learns about you and responds emotionally. No price yet, but a launch is expected next year. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about the embodiment gap in robotics in the comments. Give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.